So when you see a question like this, immediately your thought should go into prime factorization here, because they're really just asking you how to arrange this exponent form. So the first thing I'll do is to rewrite this by using the prime factorization. So 12 square is 144, and then 12 is 2 square times 3 to the 1, then square, and then the whole thing raised to the power of 145. So that becomes 2 to the 4, 3 to the 2, 145, and then if you do this multiplication, 290, so this will be 580 and 290. So now, if you just look at this, and if we simply were to say that n was 580 and m was 290, because now we do have it in this form. Of course, our job is to come up with the largest possible value. So if you just look at that difference here, this is 290. So we know we can go better than that. So it's most likely neither of these. And the next thing we'll do is to try to come up with a higher value. So what, if you notice here, one is 2, the other is 3. So I want to keep this at base 2 here, because this is the largest possible value I can make, n. So here we'll make this n and then this b. And then the question is, how can I rewrite this so that the power of 3, or the number itself is different, is as little as possible? So the first thought is, well, I can make it 1, meaning whatever this number is, 3 to the 290, it's some integer, and I just raise it to the power of 1. So if we do that, in that case, m becomes 1, meaning that's the least I could do with m. So now I have my greatest possible value for n and least for m, and this case would just be 580 minus 1 is 579, which is choice A. Now, my just general comment about this question, I don't really like this question. I mean, it's not really testing much. It just kind of relies on this idea that you could rewrite this as some large number to the power of 1. But that's just my personal opinion. But the answer is choice A.